Dear students, today we will have a practice on module number 8 related to CISCO SMBE 700-750 practice exam. So, the module 8 is related to enhancing application performance. The questions which could be expect in this exam will be related to like these kind of questions. First question is, which CISCO solution primarily focus on improving application accessibility for SMBs? Cisco SecureX, Cisco UCS, Cisco SD-WAN, and Cisco HyperFlex. So the probable answer is C, Cisco SD-WAN. What key application help SMBs manage customer interaction and track sales pipelines? So the most probable answer is related to the CRM, I think. Yeah, D could be the answer. CRM software focus on customer interaction and sales management. Which positioning strategy is least likely to resonate with the budget-conscious SMBs? So the answer is prestige offer less value than the cost effectiveness and practical benefit of SMBs. Fourth, how can Cisco SecureX benefit a healthcare provider in the context of application performance? So out of these four options, the best answer is D. SecureX focus on application security, crucial for patient data protection in healthcare. Fifth, what is the key factor for effectively positioning Cisco offering within the SMB account? So the most likely answer is adapting solution to specific needs and goals ensure successful value-driven position. Here is a bonus question for you. Describe one specific feature and service offered by your company that directly help SMBs improve performance of key application they rely on. Well done. See you in the next ninth module for SMBE 700-750 exam.